In front of me is OPPO Pad 5, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use Keyboard Clipboard. By launching your keyboard and tapping on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and go back thanks to this arrow at the top left one. Now you need to copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, just click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, tap on Clipboard. If you can't see it here, use this icon on the left, and then tap on Clipboard, and click on your text to paste it. If you wanna, you can hold it and check out all of those options, like edit if you want to change anything in text saved in Clipboard. If you want to pin this text, if you want it will disappear after an hour, you need to hold it and use pin icon. You can unpin it the same way. Using the same section, you can also paste it or delete it. But you can always delete it much faster by swiping it to the right or to the left. If you wanna, you can click on this pen at the top right corner, pick multiple stuff and decide if you want to delete them or pin them by operating those two options at the top right corner. Lastly, to disable Clipboard fully, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!